In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell single arm floor press, and we're going to be doing a close grip variation for this exercise. So when we're doing this exercise, we've got one dumbbell, so you can use a kettlebell for this if you wanted to as well, that would work fine. I've got a mat here for comfort. You don't have to use one, it's optional. If you'd prefer to use something like a pillow for your head as opposed to a mat, that's absolutely fine. Whatever you feel most comfortable with. And what I want you to do is I want you to come into a position where your feet are in contact with the floor, you've got your knees bent, and you've got whatever side that you want to work the dumbbell on that side of your body. So for ease on the camera here, I'm going to be working my left side. I firstly want to tuck my elbows in, and in this position, I'm now going to bend my elbow like so. Now, if I was doing this with two dumbbells, I'd have my palms facing each other, and I'd be coming up, extending the tricep, and back down. So elbow straight, elbow bent, 45-degree angle at the elbow when you're doing the exercise. Now, of course, because we're only doing one side, you're going to have the dumbbell coming up and back down nice and slowly. When your elbow touches the floor, that's the end of your repetition, and you would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and reps. Then what you can do is you can bring the dumbbell to the next side, and you can also do your repetitions on the opposing side. This is a fantastic way to start to develop your close grip press, which of course feeds into some of the bigger movements like chest presses.